Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Sheikh Muhammad from QuranInn Academy. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And today we are going to study lesson number 2 of the English Qaida. So, lesson number 2 is in front of you. It's called Haruf Murakkabat, compound letters in English. When two or more letters unite, they form a murakkab, a compound. Read each letter of the murakkab compound letters separately as you read the haruf and mufridat, the individual letters. So the purpose of this lesson is not to join the letters. The purpose of this lesson is to read the letters individually. Even though they are joined together, we're going to learn how they look like when they are joined together with each other. As before, make sure you pronounce the letters in the maruf manner with the Arabic tone and accent. When two or more letters are joined together and written, their form is changed. Usually, the head of the letter is written with the body and the body is omitted. The letters which are almost identical when in the compound form can be identified by the alterations in the number and position of the dots. So, let's start reading this lesson now. The first letter is Alif. Second one is Lam Alif. Lam Alif. Ba Alif. Noon Alif. Ta Alif. Ya Alif. Tha Alif. Sheen Alif. Seen Alif. Fa Alif. Qaf Alif. Jim Alif. Kha Alif. Ha Alif. Ain Alif. Ghain Alif. Swad Alif. ضاد ألف. طاء ألف. ظاء ألف. ميم ألف. ها ألف. كاف ألف. لام باء. كاف باء. كاف تاء. كاف ثاء. كاف فاء. طابا. سين لام. شين لام. صاد لام. ضاد لام. فا لام. قاف لام. عين لام. غين لام. كاف لام. كاف نون. طا نون. ظا نون. And this was it for today's lesson. We'll continue the rest of the lesson, the remaining letters in the next class, inshallah. And if you've made it this far, make sure you subscribe to our channel and like the video as well. Ma'as salam.